Hi guys! In the last video, we learned how to solve square root equations. In this video, let's solve one square root equation together. After this practice, you will master it. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell button to turn on notifications, because more incredible content is on the way. If you haven't watched the last video, I highly recommend you check out the link in the description to get the basic knowledge about solving square root equations. In addition, I put all the information you may need in the description. Okay, let's get started. Look at this equation. Square root of 5 minus 2x minus square root of x plus 2 equals 1. It looks very complicated, but don't panic. We'll take baby steps to solve it. In the last video, we learned the main idea of solving square root equations is to isolate the square root on one side and square both sides. In this way, we can get rid of the square root. But this equation has two square roots. If we isolate all the square roots on the left side and square both sides like this, we still cannot remove all square roots and even make it more complicated. What should we do? Well, we don't need to remove all square roots by one step. Instead, we do it one by one. First, isolate square root of 5 minus 2x on the left side and move negative square root of x plus 2 to the right side and change its sign. It becomes positive square root x plus 2. If you're not familiar with this transposition trick, check out the link in the description. Okay, now square both sides and get 5 minus 2x equals the square of 1 plus square root of x plus 2. Apply the perfect square formula. A plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A squared is the square of 1, which is 1. 2ab is 2 times 1 times square root of x plus 2, which is 2 square root x plus 2. B squared is the square root of x plus 2, which is x plus 2. Simplify it and we get 2 square root of x plus 2 plus x plus 3. Okay, now we only have one square root left. You already know how to solve it. Isolate the square root on one side, for example, the right side. Move x plus 3 to the left. It becomes negative x minus 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Negative 2x minus x equals negative 3x. So the left side is 2 minus 3x. Next, square both sides. The square of 2 minus 3x equals 4 times x plus 2. Apply the perfect square formula again. A minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. The square of 2 is 4. Negative 2 times 3x equals negative 12x. The square of 3x is 9x squared. The left side becomes 4 minus 12x plus 9x squared. The right side is 4x plus 8. Move the 4x plus 8 to the left, it becomes negative 4x minus 8. Negative 12x minus 4x equals negative 16x. 4 minus 8 equals negative 4. We get this equation. 9x squared minus 16x minus 4 equals 0. Let's try to solve it by the FOIL method. 9 can be the product of 1 and 9, 9 and 1, and 3 and 3. Negative 4 can be the product of 1 and negative 4, negative 1 and 4, 2 and negative 2, and negative 2 and 2. By calculating each pair, we found this pair can get us negative 16x. So the equation turns into 9x plus 2 times x minus 2 equals 0. 9x plus 2 equals 0, or x minus 2 equals 0. X equals negative 2 over 9, or x equals 2. Now, are we all set? Of course not. Don't forget the most important step when solving square root equations. Always check your solutions in the original equation. Plug x equals 2 into the left side of the original equation, and we get square root of 5 minus 2 times 2 minus square root of 2 plus 2. Simplify it, and the left side equals negative 1. It's not equal to 1 on the right side, so x equals 2 is not a solution to the original equation. It's an extraneous solution. Then check the other solution. Plug negative 2 over 9 into the left side of the original equation, and we get square root of 5 minus 2 times negative 2 over 9 minus square root of negative 2 over 9 plus 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 over 9 equals positive 4 over 9. The next step is to add fractions. The main idea is to make all fractions with the same denominators. If you forgot how to do it, check the link in the description. 5 is 5 times 9 over 9. 2 is 2 times 9 over 9. We get square root of 45 over 9 plus 4 over 9 minus square root of negative 2 over 9 plus 18 over 9. Simplify it, and the left side equals 1, which equals the right side. So there is only one solution to the original equation, which is x equals negative 2 over 9. It's done. Okay, through this example, we reviewed the main idea and all skills we need to solve square root equations. That's all for today. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below or email us at question@beat-math.com. We will try to answer your questions in the next video. See you next time.